What is that?
Fish.
Guys, first time ko makatikim dito ng sprout fish.
Yeah.
I think like it is much nice. This is smoked fish, guys. I think I like it better if we fry them. Masarap, guys.
Right?
Tinapa?
Something. What is it?
Tinapa, guys.
Amazing, look at this. Look, come here. Head. In the head. I eat.
Kumain na kami kanina, guys. Tapos ngayon, gutom siya. Masarap to iprito. This is masarap if you fry them.